guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought I would do something slightly different today and actually do a live demonstration. So I have lovely Misha here today with me, who will be my model. I've already completed her eye makeup and I'm going to complete a nice bronzy summery makeup look for her, and I thought you guys could watch the step-by-step process of doing the base. So I really hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe below, guys. So I'm just going to go right into it. I'm going to start off with just priming her face, and I'm going to be using the Fenty primer. So literally just dab 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 and pop this on. So earlier Misha was actually saying to me that what were you actually saying to Misha? Just kind of slightly on.
Just sometimes when I put on my concealer under my eyes, it just goes a bit. Looks like it's just separated and it's like not applied.
And she was saying that the Tarte Shape Tape, she's getting off it. And as you guys all know, I swear by that. So when I heard this, I just thought, wait, let's take it back a few notches, because it cannot be the case. Like, honestly, I swear by Shape Tape.
I don't know if I just apply it wrong, because I use a brush, but I don't know if you use a brush or if you use your beauty blender.
So I always use a brush to apply apply the actual product onto the skin. But then afterwards, I always blend. If I don't have a beauty blender, I will blend with my fingers, but I do not use a brush. No, because I feel like when you use a brush, it leaves streaks behind.
Yeah.
And that's probably why you're feeling as though it's not setting into your skin.
Yeah.
So guys, I've just moved on to using Photo Finish by Smashbox to prevent like the oil seeping through on the T-zones. So I'm just going to go in now with some colour correcting.
I definitely need some colour correcting.
You actually don't. You really, for Asian skin tone, you don't actually have that bad dark circles. Look up. It's very minor.
That's the other thing with the Shape Tape. I just feel like my under eye just looks really grey.
Slightly look towards me. Turn your face towards me. So that's probably. Are you colour correcting though?
No.
That's why. You always, otherwise your undertone will seep through. So you have to do minor colour correcting. And it's just, unfortunately, I think with Asian skin tone, look up for me. Like if I don't do colour correcting, I will never get that same finish.
Yeah.
And I just feel like you can't avoid it, unfortunately. So it's so necessary. Okay, so today I'll be using the Huda Beauty in Toffee on Misha's face. Because we're creating this bronzy and glowy look, I'm going to use my iconic illuminator drops to let this mix with the foundation so you get that glowy finish all over. So whenever I want like this bronzy highlighted finish all over, I literally always use these illuminator drops, and it just gives you that glowy finish. Wow, guys, I'm creating some beach waves on Misha's hair, and like this is the natural way of doing it, so without using makeup. without using any form of electrics. Just super actually good for your hair.
Yeah, which I need to stop using.
Yes, you do.
Straighteners.
And literally, like when you're away on holiday, considering this is a summer look that we're going for, I thought sometimes when you're on holiday, you cannot be bothered to actually take the straighteners out and endure like more heat on yourself. So this way, you can create these beach waves and still look really good. So I'm going to go in with Shape Tape, what she actually hates.
I would say it's got really good coverage, but I just feel like I need to...
That it actually does wonders.
Yeah.
So literally get a slight amount on your hand and just pat it into the skin. Like to get the perfect base, honestly, you have to make sure that you've blended the makeup in, because if you haven't, then it will look patchy and it will look like you have applied makeup even though you want a natural finish. So it needs to be soaked into the skin. So one of the other concealers that I really like and I've gone on about is my Maybelline Instant Eye Eraser. Now I'm just going to go in with a few dabs of this onto, tapping it onto my beauty blender, so you can see, and then literally just slightly underneath. Kat Von D translucent powder, and I'm going to tap that onto with a brush onto where I have just applied the concealer. And then with a smaller brush, just go in and do the nose contouring. So and just slightly under the lip, and that's the contouring done. So now guys, let's brush away all the powder that's on Misha's face. Finish off the eye makeup, and I'll be back in a second, guys. Hi guys, so we're back and I've completed the look. So I literally just went in and did some highlight. I used the Inglot highlighter in, I'll tell you what shade. It's the Sparkle Dust. It doesn't actually say a shade on there. Sparkling dust, just sparkling dust. So I've applied that on her face, and I've gone in and completed the eye makeup, just gone in with some brown under the eyes, just give that, enhance that browny sort of bronzy look. Gone in with the Huda Beauty liquid matte in, what shade did I use? I don't actually know what shade this is because it looks different. But yeah, so I use Huda Beauty's liquid matte. Love this brown, it's really nice and like it just goes with the bronzy look. And finally took out her
I feel like a lady again.
Took out her beach curls and I've gone in and just given it this beach curly and like wet kind of look. And guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this makeup tutorial and it's been easy for you to follow and for you guys to do. I think next time we'll do a tutorial on the hair look, and
it was so super easy as well.
yeah, it's so quick. It's just a very easy go-to makeup look. So if you have liked this video and if you would like to see more videos like this, please do comment below and we will deliver. And don't forget thumbs up guys, and subscribe below. Thank you for watching. Bye.